I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So nagla-live po tayo doon. Pwede po kayo sumali. Mababait naman po yung mga tao. And Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. No? Leo, magsimula na tayo. I feel like parang meron tayo ditong feeling natin, no? Ayaw tayo pakawalan. Ayaw natin siyang pakawalan. You may interchange the roles in here. What I'm reading is dynamic naman. Parang meron ako separation anxiety. Hindi kita basta malimutan yung mga ganyan. No? And chances are yung iba kasi nag-invest. Not just probably with money, pero more of emotions ito eh. Sayang din yung time. No? Parang kahit na magkalayo tayo, parang your love haunts me, no? Hindi ako maka-move on sa'yo. So parang nakita na natin agad yung separations dito. Separations can be physical or energetic para sa mga bago, no? Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, different planet, baka nandiyan lang sa kabilang bahay, nasa kabilang isla, what have you. Physically separated. Energetic separations, yung iba nakikita kayo, hindi man kayo nag-uusap. So, may gap. So, we are separated energetically. Ayan. So, kahit ang masakit dito yung combinations, no? Hindi na nga nakikita, hindi pa nag-uusap, yung iba nasa malayong lugar talaga. To a point where this might be a different country, so dagat ang pagitan, ang hirap, no? Ang hirap dahil hindi ako makakilos, no? Day by day, yun yung lagi naiisip ko, ikaw lagi naiisip ko, to a point wherein ako na ba yung magre-reach out, pero paano ko magre-reach out? Kasi iba sa inyo block or blinak nyo yung tao. I feel like kailangan ko pa bang mag-travel? So nasa plano ko na. There's something needs to happen in here, and this should be a conversation that requires for the both of you to use technology, you know, phones, laptop, internet, yan. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, the conversation is not going to happen face-to-face. More of using technology talaga. Kasi nga, because of the distance or the will of that person na I am not ready to face you yet. With the Three of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita natin dito, feeling ko matagal ng ganito yung situation na walang pag-uusap, matagal ng ganito yung situation na hindi kayo masyado nakikita, no, with your person. But I feel like, kasi meron ditong dapat ginagawa eh. Meron ditong dapat, kahit papano, no, meron dapat connection. Ang nangyari dito, hindi hindi kaya. I think that this is also a mirrored energy. May isa lang na nagmamatigas, no? Or green-minded. May isa nagmamatigas yung puso. Iba yung nasa isip ko. Nagmamatigas yung puso, pero deep inside, okay, gusto, kahit papano, no, gusto ko pa rin makita ka, gusto ko pa rin malaman, no, kung ano itong plano mo, kamusta ka na rin ba, no? Sa mga, iba to sa mga singles, crushes, and no labels. I feel like na-stuck kayo kasi dito sa situation na hanggang dun lang. And I feel like there's craving or wanting to put this connection into another level of commitment. I want something more. I want something deeper, stable, no, than what we are having right now. With the Eight of Cups, the Four of Cups, the Two of Wands. Kung sino man itong nagmamatigas ang puso, I feel like medyo humuhupa na rin yung inis, humuhupa na yung galit, nawawala na rin yung kanyang pagkadismaya, pumapasok na rin sa isip niya na kamusta na rin kaya itong taong to, namimiss ko na rin kahit papaano. Siguro nandito na rin yung realization of hindi rin maganda, no, na kami ay magkaaway, hindi rin maganda na hindi kami nag-uusap. For all time's sake, I feel like kailangan ko na rin yata mag-reach out. So kung sino man yung naka-block, I feel like eto na yung time na makikita nyo. Hindi naman siya magre-reach out agad-agad, pero may mga senyales na, uy, sandali, nakikita ko na ulit yung post niya, or nakikita ko na pwede na ako mag-message ulit. And that is an indication na yung person ninyo is ready na rin, no, for conversation. And I feel like medyo tumaas lang ang kanyang presyon, tumaas lang ang kanyang sabihin nating gigil, no, sa inyo. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. So bakit nagkaroon ng ganito with the Strength card and the Knight of Wands? So matindi din naman yung kanyang disiplinang ginawa, no, kung sino man itong hindi naman sen, dahil hindi, katulad ng sinabi ko, hindi ito easy. With the Strength card in here, medyo pinigilan niya talaga ng malala, no, and that is intentional. I feel like meron din gustong patunayan, no, itong person na ito. With the Seven of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Three of Swords. So yung taong nag-iintay naman, I feel like, bakit aping-ape? The energy is aping-ape, no? Pinag-antay mo ako dito, ang dami ko pang gustong sabihin, ang dami ko pang gustong i-clarify, masyado mo akong sinaktan, pero kahit ganun pa man, no, with the Three of Swords, I am here waiting for you. Eto na nga ako, either nagpapakumbaba, pero hindi mo pa rin ako pinapansin. So, I feel like meron ditong pa-victim energy, or talagang sila talaga din yung victim. Kasi I feel like masyado silang nasaktan sa hindi pagpansin, sa pagdededma, no? With the Justice and the Chariot. Yung iba nga dito is siguro nag-travel pa, no, to check the person, to reach out and fix the issues, pero tinaguan, ni-reject, pinaalis, hindi sinipot, hindi kinita, no? So that's yun din yung pain na nararamdaman siguro ni person, or nag-reach out ako, hindi mo man lang sinin, or hindi mo man lang hindi ka man nag-response. Ang masakit doon, nakita ko sinin mo. So medyo masakit din. Let's get some message from the universe. So saan nga ba ito papunta, no, itong relationship na ito? With the Ten of Cups, the Hermit, and the Five of Pentacles. I feel like itong reaching out na mangyayari is a doorway for the both of you to not really connect like before, but to fix the bridge, no, kung nasira man itong ugnayan ninyong dalawa. I think things are gonna go start from the scratch again, back to zero, back to square one. Pero siguro nagkaroon din ng trust issues. It may take a little while, but then again, maayos din naman, pero hindi siya ura-urada katulad nung mga dati nyong alitan, mga dati nyong away, na kapag nagbate, back to basic, no? Back to where you were. I feel like this is something different na I feel like kailangan paghirapan, kailangan pagtrabahuhan, and we might not know the reason why this needs to happen, but this is going to make your relationship much stronger. And I feel like kapag naayos na ito, nakakakita ko ng 10 of Cups, no? Cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. This is your reading, Leo. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? Pero bago yan, gusto ko po ipaalala sa inyo na dun po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, dyan po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede po kayong sumali, pero kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no sa comment section. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, nasagot lang, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link sa description box ng video na ito. You will be routed to my website na doon po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Cancer, Libra, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Leo is here. Baka kapwa Leo ito. Pisces, Scorpio. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best.